What's up guys, today I will be giving away this butterfly knife case hardened factory new. It's a very beautiful knife, and yeah, I hope you like it. And I think I've fixed the black bars, and the giveaway or winner giveaway of the other video, the other knife giveaway will be announced on I think maybe next Friday, and this will in 2 weeks, yeah, not next Friday, after the Friday next. My English is very bad right now because it's late, and so yeah, I will be giving away this beautiful knife. And yeah, so all you need to do is to enter is subscribe, like the video, and comment. Bye.